Hey, everyone! Today, we're tackling a problem that almost everyone has faced but rarely talks about, those pesky deodorant stains that can ruin your favorite shirt. Don't worry, it's a common issue, and I'm here to show you how to get rid of deodorant stains in a few easy steps. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Method 1. Vinegar and cold water. Step 1. Identify the stain. First, take a good look at the stain. Is it fresh or old? The sooner you deal with it, the better, but this vinegar method is effective for both. Step 2. Prepare vinegar solution. Pour half a cup of white vinegar into a bowl. Make sure it's white vinegar. Apple cider vinegar might cause further staining. Did you know that a study from the Journal of Environmental Science and Health highlights the cleaning efficacy of acetic acid in vinegar? So you know it's good stuff. Step 3. Apply vinegar. Dip a clean cloth into the vinegar and gently dab it onto the stain. Don't rub, just pat it gently. Step 4. Let it sit. Allow the vinegar to sit on the stain for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the vinegar enough time to break down the stain. Step 5. Rinse with cold water. Finally, rinse the stained area with cold water. You should see the stain fading away. Step 6. Repeat or proceed to washing. If the stain is still visible, you may repeat the steps or proceed to washing the garment as you usually would. Method 2. Baking soda and water paste. Step 1. Make the paste. In a bowl, mix 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. You want a paste-like consistency. The power of baking soda as a cleaning agent has been acknowledged in several studies, including one published in Food Chemistry. Step 2. Apply the paste. Using a soft bristle toothbrush, apply the paste onto the stain. Make sure you're covering the entire area. Step 3. Let it sit. Let the paste sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes to allow the baking soda to work its magic. Step 4. Scrub gently. Gently scrub the stain with the toothbrush using circular motions. Step 5. Rinse and wash. Rinse the stained area with cold water and wash the garment as you usually would. Bonus tip. Hydrogen peroxide and detergent. If the stain is really stubborn, you can try using hydrogen peroxide mixed with a little liquid laundry detergent. Be careful, though, this is only for white or color-fast fabrics. The American Cleaning Institute recommends hydrogen peroxide as an effective stain remover. Step 1. Test for color-fastness. Before applying hydrogen peroxide, test a small, hidden area of the garment to ensure it doesn't bleach or damage the fabric. Just dab a small amount, let it sit for a minute, and rinse it off to see if the color remains unaffected. Step 2. Prepare the mixture. Take a bowl and mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide, 3%, with 1 part liquid laundry detergent. You don't need a lot, just enough to cover the stain. So, a tablespoon of each should be enough for most stains. Step 3. Apply the mixture. Put on some gloves to protect your hands, especially if you have sensitive skin. Then, use a clean cloth or a soft bristle toothbrush to apply the mixture directly onto the stain. Make sure you cover the entire stained area. Step 4. Gently scrub. Gently scrub the stain using the cloth or toothbrush, using circular motions to help break down the stain. Be cautious not to scrub too hard, as you don't want to damage the fabric. Step 5. Let it sit. Allow the mixture to sit on the stain for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the hydrogen peroxide and detergent enough time to break down the stain. Step 6. Rinse thoroughly. After the time has passed, rinse the stained area thoroughly with cold water. You should see the stain beginning to fade. Step 7. Wash as usual. After rinsing, proceed to wash the garment as you normally would. Always check the washing instructions on the label to ensure you're not damaging the fabric. Step 8. Air dry. Once the garment has been washed, let it air dry. This will help prevent any remaining stain particles from setting in due to heat. According to the American Cleaning Institute, hydrogen peroxide is an effective stain remover, especially for protein-based stains like deodorant. But remember, this method should only be used on white or color-fast fabrics. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found these methods helpful for getting rid of those annoying deodorant stains. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below if you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep it clean.